Got one in the right, left turn, looking in. Oh, got me.
I think so, right?
Well, the first window from the left got me when I was looking at the turn.
Going over this way.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that window in the current, and it's like this current. I can't see anything in the other window.
Right. I might bounce over to where you're at too, because it's easier to cut in. Yeah. Which one on the
Right in front of me, this is like the
third window?
no, the turret.
Oh, turn. Okay. Oh, can I get in right there? Can I cut in right there? I just didn't want to be getting in front of you. All right. Oh yeah, I see him in there. He's gonna be a problem if I get to this bunker, because I need the outside right part of it. You on point at shooting at him? Huh? Oh shit. It's gone. Call it. Really, bro? I just said call. I called to hit him in my gun. He lit me in the face.
Where are they at? But they're still right here. So why don't they move? I move it kind of.
One in the storm. You see him? Let me know if you start shooting at him. Got a guy in that turret. I can't get in because that guy in the turn is fuck. Yeah. If I get in, he's gonna light me up. You got one guy in the corner. Yeah, that's why I can't get in right here. If I get in, he's gonna light me. Hey, if you get up, get on that turret. Get on that turret quick. The turret, the turret. You watching it?
Hey, no blood fire! You don't raise that gun up and can't see it!
What are you talking about? Who are you talking to? Who are you talking to?
Come now.
Ain't nobody even blind firing. Ain't nobody even shot.
What is this? What is
Oh, no, I didn't see it.
Did I shoot you? Then you can't fucking do that. That's called fucking blind fire. That's called fucking blind fire.
Hey, y'all take it out there.
Alright?
Surrender. Surrender. You surrender, bro? You surrendering? Okay, good. Good job.
That's you shit.
You're fogged up. Don't pull it down. You get hit in your eyes, man. Don't do that.
I know.
Be careful. Surrender. Last chance to surrender. Last chance. That's a hit. Call your hit. Last chance to surrender. I ain't gonna keep asking. Last chance to surrender. Get out if you're surrendering. Get out if you're surrendering. Don't shoot me in my back. Don't shoot me in my back. Right on, right. This man something. Hey, check your fire. Who was that? Is that somebody in the window? Tell them to stop. Hey, stop! Same team!
Get in here! Same team!
Same team! Same team! Same team! I just got done saying same team. Same team in there, man.